Okay, folks, because you guys always ask me about the quality of a different glass, so today I have chosen two different qualities. So there are so many qualities in China, but what we're selling, we have two qualities. One is A plus. A plus means that you can return to Apple service. So, and another one is generic. Generic, the quality, we have A and A plus in A plus. Okay, A we also call this generic. It's a normal quality, but this quality is what we sell a lot in China, and also to some countries they're like very sensitive with this price, so they can buy A. But A doesn't mean it's very bad quality. This quality is generic, it's normal quality, and also we sell a lot, and the quality is like lower, but it also works. So firstly, I have two different products. This one is with polarizer, and this one is with just with OCA. So two different colors and two different products. This one, you see, this is the with Olga. This is A. Generic quality. Okay, yeah, it's okay. The frame is firm, it doesn't matter. You see there is a rain, it's A, it's okay quality. But let's open it, tear it off. So you can see this one, this is with polarizer. With the polarizer, this is the original polarizer, and also the ear mesh, and also the camera holder, and also this one. You see that because there is so very small the difference between those. You can see the ring and the color. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay, I'm gonna also open it. Firstly, today I'm gonna just use water to let you guys say the hardness, dureza del cristal, ¿vale? But next time I'm gonna bend it. I'm gonna do another. I'm gonna destroy the glass. But today I'm gonna just do a small test with water. So remember, we have three different products. The one without Olga, just the glass with frame, glass with frame with Olga, glass with frame with Olga with polarizer. And also, if you need the ring and the ear mesh, you can also inform us in advance, so we have time to. Of course, it's gonna be a little bit more expensive. You're gonna pay a little bit more, but you can have all pre-installed. Okay, that means we have like almost like 4 different products, and also the quality we only sell A and A plus. Okay, you can say this one. I don't know if you can see the difference. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit more. You can see this one. Did you see it? Okay, then we check this one. Can you see the difference? You see the difference? Okay, I'm gonna do this at the same time. Okay, let you guys see it. Okay, I'm gonna do this at the same time. Oh. Near here, okay. You see it? Do you see it? But check this one. Check this one. Check this one, okay? Check this one. Okay. Now you see the difference, because normally from outside, see the color it's very similar, but if you say with some water, say the hardness, you Okay, if you are very strict with the quality, you just buy this one, because your customer, and also you can return to Apple, you will have no problem. But if you just said to the final customer they don't know the quality, whatever, they don't care, well, you can buy this one because the price is cheaper. Okay, this is A, this is A+. You already see the difference. And folks, thanks for watching. Bye.